Well, hi there, and welcome to another Your Tech Report video. I am Marc, and today we're going to be going hands-on with a very cool kind of hard shell but soft material case for the DJI Mavic 2 drone. Welcome back, guys. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button below and then hit that notification bell. This way you're notified whenever we've got a brand new video to share with you, just like this one. This is a company, I'm really not sure how to pronounce the name. They're an overseas company called Smatree, and they make some really cool accessories when it comes to drones and drone enthusiasts, specifically cases. Now, I was looking for something that was a little bit smaller than the hard, rugged, Nanook case that I have for my Mavic 2 Pro, because I was looking to travel. I wanted to throw it in my bag, but I didn't want to have that big bulk that went along with it. So I went online and I found Smatree. I remember them from previous drones. For the Mavic Air, I had a drone, a case from them, and I found this one for $39.99 on Amazon.com. And I said, let me take a look at this one. So here's this case from Smatree. You've got their embossed logo on the front over here. When you open the case, you can see it's a nice hard molded kind of foam design that's meant to keep everything in place, which is really cool, and we'll get to actually putting things in as well. On the top, you've got a zip area here so you can put cables and things that might be loose, with maybe have filters and stuff like that you want to go along with. It comes with a Smatree. There you see how you spell it. Smatree, like a cloth, I guess a cleaning cloth. It has a shoulder strap as well that comes with the case. So here we go. We have the actual case itself. Now let's try and get the drone in here. Let's move the camera over here for you guys so we can give you a better view of what this looks like. Okay, so let's move the camera here so you can see what's going on in the actual case itself. So let's see. Let's try to get some stuff in the actual case here. So we've got the controller. So here's the DJI Mavic 2 controller. This has the joysticks inside here, yet this case is designed so that you don't even have to take the joysticks off. So if the joysticks were on, you could leave them in here and they'd be nice and secure, which is pretty cool as well. You've got 3 slots for batteries, so you can slide your Mavic 2 battery in 1, 2, 3 slots. You can actually carry 4 if you have the one that's on the drone, which is what I do. I have the one on my drone right here. So I'm going to slide this into the little case here. So it's like, I guess, an injected molding, I guess they call it, or some kind of foam molding process. Perfect fit for the drone with the props on, so you can really get to flying as quickly as you can when you get to your location. Plus, you've got this big compartment over here that's great for different accessories. So I've got little dongles over here. I've got the actual charger and cable if I want that over there. I've got my Polar Pro filters over here that I can throw in here as well. And everything's nice and snug. Plus you've got the upper case over here if you want to throw things in there. And then there you have it. You've got everything you need in this kind of handy package that's smaller than a briefcase, and that's ready to hit the road with. So there you have it. It's $39.99, available on Amazon.com, Amazon.ca. Obviously prices will be a bit different in Canada, but it ships Prime, so it'll be there tomorrow if you have Amazon Prime. If not, I recommend you check that out. There you have it, the Smatree case for the DJI Mavic 2. It also works with the Mavic 2 Zoom, so whether you have the Mavic 2 Pro or the Mavic 2 Zoom, it'll fit in this case very snugly and very comfortably, plus lots of room for other accessories as well. Thank you guys for watching. If you got anything to say about this case, let us know in the comments below, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. This way we can bring more videos like this to you guys in the future. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.